Your business pictures and videos are the gateway to your marketing and communications today. When should you take pictures and videos of your business? Your picture and your videos must tell a story about your product, your project, or the result that you produce that you are trying to sell to a client. Don't just take a picture at the end of your product. Make sure you are taking pictures during the production process. Not only the final product is documented, but also the processes. Today, we no longer have problem with taking pictures because everybody today has a smartphone. So you don't need to have all the light, all the green background set up for you to be able to have great pictures, because every picture you take today, you can just give it to AI and they will keep the original picture, but they can even change the background. So you don't even need a green screen or to have the best phone to have a great picture. It is important to identify the milestone in your production process when pictures and videos perfectly communicate. Whenever you go on site to talk to a customer, make sure you get some pictures that can be given back to the designers in the office. The moment the designers completed the design process, it is important that they get some graphic design. If you are in engineering, you are going to get a lot of CAD models. So take some pictures of those models. During the production process, every component that is being produced, make sure that if you are working in the welding department, in the machining department, make sure during the production that you are taking pictures of your finished product. If you are in the assembly line, when the whole components have been assembled together, also make sure that you take pictures. Always take pictures whenever you encounter a problem during your production, during your design, or during the assembly process, because those pictures can actually help communicate exactly where the problems occur than sometimes what text itself can describe. The quality department should take a picture of the final product that is getting shipped to the customer. Make sure you take a picture when you have a new product. If you have a new custom feature to an existing project or an existing product, make sure you take a picture. If you have something that is unique that you design, or an idea that's a concept that you come up with that has not been done before and you want to present to a customer, it's great if you have a picture that you can present to a customer. The pictures that you make are very important. You can actually use those pictures to communicate with the customer about the update of your product or the update of your project. Another people in your company or your business that may need that picture are the designers, as a feedback of what happened on the floor during the production or during the assembly process, if there was any issue that they encountered that was not seen during the design phase. One of the people that need your business pictures is your marketing and sales department. Your marketing and sales department can post those pictures on WorkParrots, and when they post those pictures on WorkParrots, it can be used for networking. It can be converted to marketing materials like brochures. It can also be used as portfolios by just posting those pictures. At the same time, those pictures, if you are sharing updates about your production processes, you can actually build followers. A lot of people like to see how things are made. So if you have great pictures that does not expose your trade secret, and you are updating those pictures on WorkParrots, and you build a lot of followers, a lot of people that get to know about your business or your product will end up becoming your customers. Check out WorkParrots in the App Store and let us know what you think. We would like to see and know what you like to post, and we would like to know what you are offering. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and join WorkParrots today.